Hi friends, Prasad here. So in this video, I will try to explain how we can install Git and how we can use that. So first we will download that software. I'm just entering Git download in Google search. We can go into the first link. So the current version is 2.3.5.1. So we can download this for Windows. So we can just download the standalone version. So it is like a 47 MB. Let's wait for download. Yeah, download is completed. Showing it is showing in downloads. So simply double click on that. Click on yes. This you can read out. Uh, you can install wherever you want actually. If you want to change the path, you can browse it and you can change it. Next. So the default ones will be better for us. No need to change anything in this. Setup will create a program. Okay, it will create a shortcut. Let it be. Yeah. Next, let Git decide. Yeah. Next. Next. Okay. Use the OpenSSL library. So we can click on next now. Keep it as default. Keep it as default. Keep it as default. Yeah. Keep it as default. Keep it as default. Install. Let it install. We will see. Click and finish. Uncheck this view release notes and finish. If we want to check whether the Git is installed properly or not, we can right click and we can see here Git UI, Git bash. It means Git is installed properly. Or we can go to control panel. We can go to uninstall a program and we can see here Git installed. So as Git installed, we can try to create one repository. Here itself, I will create one folder. Local repos. So in this, I will create I will create one more folder like uh, first app repo. So in this, I will open git bash. Okay. Here I will type git in it. Yeah. We see git initialized empty. So it means that the git repository is created. If you want to see there is a hidden item will be created. There is a .git. It means that it is a Git repository. If you don't see, you check this hidden items checkbox, then you can see that. Now, if you want to see the status, you can click, we can type git status. Yeah. So there is nothing here. So first I will create one file, text document. So test. Then I will enter something here. Test git repo. Close it. Now I will push this one into repo. Now if we will see git status, now it is showing one untracked file. Now git add that file. Then if we see the git status, this file is added. Now git commit -m message. This is first commit. Yeah. If you see the git status, done. Nothing is there. If we see, if we want to add one more, we can add one more, like another 2.txt. If we open git again see git status, one file is there. Now I will commit this also, git add. Either you can give the file name, or you can give the dot. Dot means whatever the new files are or modified files are there in the current directory, those will be added. If you see the git status, this file is added. Now git commit -m commit message txt file added. If we see git status, everything is done. What if we modify some file? We will try to modify this test.txt. Modified. Save it and close it. Now see the git status. So it is saying that modified. Now we will commit this. Git add dot. You see git status. Modified file got added. Now commit. Git commit -m. Now enter message. File modified. Git status. Everything is done. So this is how we maintain the Git repository, guys. So I hope you guys learned something from this. Next, in the next video, I will try to uh, create a repository in the GitHub. Then I will clone that into my local, and by using Git, uh, I will change the some content of the repository, and by using Git, then I will commit and push that changes into GitHub. So we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.